Dr. Justin here with a quick video update about the Powerpuff Girl. So if you've been watching these videos, you haven't seen the Powerpuff Girl because I haven't seen the Powerpuff Girl. So she missed around a good 10 solid weeks of treatment, something like that. And what has happened since then? Really important. And the answer is nothing. Nothing has happened since then. So what do I mean by that? Normally, a patient misses a treatment in the middle of their course of care and their condition declines because they're not keeping up with their treatments. However, because we are rehabilitating the fibrous bundles of muscle in the upper back, and we are literally making changes to them, all of the treatments that I have done has held in place. So nothing has changed. We are picking up right back where we left off. And I'm going to say that she's going to need about 8 to 10 more treatments and she's going to be done with care. So keep on watching for more Powerpuff Girls and let's see if I'm right. Everybody have a great day.